Hey, I'm Chris the Sick with Irrigation Management, and today it's almost the end of August. The state of Minnesota is having their state fair, and a cold front has moved in from Canada, and today temperatures are beautiful, high 60s. It's wonderful weather. It was great to wake up this morning and not have to sweat. But what is your sprinkler system doing? And so I just want to talk real quick about what's called predictive weather. And it's a concept that Hydrowise and Hunter are using when you connect a sprinkler system to the Hydrowise system and making sure those functions are turned on. Most of our sprinkler systems that are connected to Hydrowise, we've got them set with different parameters. One of those is monitoring a local weather station, which you can pick different weather stations that are available. There's literally thousands of them that are measuring the amount of rain, the wind, the temperature. And so all of these things are being taken into account. When it comes to rain, you can set it up that if it records a certain amount of rain over the last 3 days, that it won't operate for the next day or so. And if there's predicted rain that's coming in the next day, and you can set the percentage, I think the default is 80%. So if there's an 80% prediction of rain for the next day, then it won't water that night. Some other barriers that are in there is if the temperature drops below 70 degrees, it can decrease the amount of water the system will put out. And on the other end, if the temperature is above a certain threshold, let's say 80 degrees, it could turn it up 10%. 90 degrees, it could turn it up another 20%. So a standard system that operates with just a rain sensor is only going to be as functional as the rain sensor it's connected to. In some of those situations where if the system's going to run tonight and it rained last night, the rain sensor shut off the system, didn't really matter, wasn't going to run anyways, that by the time it's going to operate the next night, the rain sensor's already dried out and it's already allowing the system to run. So with predictive weather monitoring that Hydrowise uses, knowing that it just rained last night, depending on how much rain it is, it's going to tell the system to not operate for the next night, possibly not for the next couple nights. So predictive weather can save you and your water usage for your system. It can save you tons of money. And so it's something to consider when somebody's talking about Hydrowise. Consider it for the AI concepts in predictive watering and some of the thresholds that you can set to operate with it. And this time of year, when it's dropped down in the 60s, my systems are saying, hey, we don't need as much water, so we're going to go ahead and turn them down. Under normal circumstances, you'd have to pay a technician to go out, adjust the controller, just a lot of wasted labor. Instead, let's let the intelligent functions of the Hydrowise system take over at that point. Turn the system down, and if it gets any cooler, we might even have a point if it gets below 50 degrees, don't even water at all. Doesn't make any sense. So just some thoughts on predictive watering. If you're considering Hydrowise or somebody has promoted Hydrowise to you, I think you better take a look at it. There's a lot of opportunity to save on water when it's not needed.